This is Mike Callahan, Dr. FileFinder, and welcome to your Butterscotch.com technology breaking news update. We here at Butterscotch.com have our fingers on the pulse of technology, and it has been interesting to us all of the hype regarding the announcement that Apple will make shortly. It's all over the internet, and we thought we would share some of it with you. Apple tablet details are leaked. The most read story on PC World is Apple Tablet Event, a geek's guide. Here on the Huffington Post, they actually have a list of the most popular rumors about the Apple tablet and even some pictures of what it might, maybe, could possibly look like. Another story says that the Apple tablet rumors are the strongest rumors heading into 2010. And here, a New York Times executive talks about the impending Apple Slate. Now it's a Slate. And here, the Apple tablet. Rumors claim would be the gadget to end all gadgets. Well, we here at Butterscotch.com aren't quite sure what it is, but we're going to let you know as soon as Apple has officially announced it. We'd like to get your comments about all of this hype and all of this anticipation. So if you want to, leave a note in the comments. We'll respond. And that's your technology breaking news.